Ngaphambi kokuthi ngibingelele ngibonge kuhlelo uMagriza Made Me Cook, bonge nasesizweni sikaMthwakazi igama uNtokozo uGadlethulu ugadle ngenhlonipho nanxa eselele emhlabathini osizi ayomuzwa ngoba uyohlala njalo egadlile. Ngumfo waThuma mina uGolide uMoyana umnguni uGumbi. Silana namhlanje kulolu suku olukhulu lokubungaza noma lokunanza usuku lokukhumbula inkosi uMzilikazi isilo samahlabezulu isilo soMthwakazi esadabula isizwe eNgome njengoba namhlanje siyilana yila agcina ezinze khona ngokomlando nje umlando siyawuthola ukuthi azange asuke eNgome straight to la cha wayibamba nje iminyakana lapha sizobungaza yena nje siyisizwe neMagriza Made Me Cook niyibona ilana abafowethu abenza umsebenzi omuhle kakhulu.
So it's King Mzilikazi Day and it's lapho eMhlahlandlela, which was one of his royal capital. This is known as Old Mhlahlandlela. Abahlala koBulawayo, you know there is a building called Mhlahlandlela in town. So this was the capital. So we're here for the commemorations. We're here to remember King Mzilikazi. So there's so much to remember from days in terms of our traditional